School of Medicine is really proud of its long-term, very successful program of the Kimberley placements. It's been an amazing opportunity for our students in second year to really experience what remote life is like in Western Australia and spend time with the people and understand the circumstance, not just from a health perspective, but from a life perspective. And we think that's invaluable for their learning and for their development as future doctors.
The finalists for the Metropolitan-based Bush Champion Award are
Professor Donna Mack. Recognising the challenges of recruiting and retaining medical practitioners to rural and remote areas, she worked to establish rural health placement programs in the Wheatbelt and West Kimberley. These programs provide medical students with academic learning and immersion experiences in rural life, aimed at encouraging them to consider rural medical careers and providing metropolitan doctors with a deeper understanding of rural life to better provide patient-centred care.
We've just come back from the second year medical student Kimberley placement. This is the first year that we've resumed the physical placement after having virtual placements because of COVID in past years, and it's been an amazing trip, as it usually is. So we took all our students up to Derby and we had an academic weekend in Derby, and then the students were out on placements across the West Kimberley. We had students as far out as Fitzroy Crossing and Nullapita School, and down as far south as Bidyadanga. It's an invaluable experience for our students, very eye-opening, is that these experiences are exposing students, many of whom have never really considered working remotely or rurally, and they end up coming back.
Some of these remote areas and that up here, there's a lot of shortages of doctors and nurses and stuff like that, and the medicine side of things, whereas if you've got people that are coming up this way and can understand what it's like out in these rural areas where things aren't like they are in the city, you can have them have a better understanding of what things really are like and give them a chance of really seeing what difference they can make in some of these more remote towns.
The people are lovely, sense of community is really strong.
I really love the communities up here. So everyone's super lovely, and it's kind of, you have to make your own fun. So you get into lots of local sport and lots of local groups. And even the medicine as well, it's so different to what you see in Perth and the city. You get to be a real generalist.
The Kimberley placement was the beginning of my time in the Kimberley. So I all started with that the week here, and then 1 year of RCS in Derby, and then now my final year in Broome. And I'm very fortunate to be going on to do my internship in Broome Hospital as well. The Kimberley week really exposed me to what living and working rurally would look like. And then, you know, through my time in Derby and my time in Broome, I really got to appreciate and experience what living, especially in the Kimberley, is like, and you know, the benefits of that, and the really cohesive communities, and sort of the diversity in medicine, and now see myself living long-term in the Kimberley.
Hi, I'm Ash, and I'm the Senior Medical Officer at the Derby Aboriginal Health Service. I was a Notre Dame student and graduated in 2011, and I came up and did the Kimberley placement up here in 2009, and I was placed on a station out near Fitzroy, and it was just such a fantastic experience. And then I was really lucky I got to do RCS in Broome the following year, and I'd always planned to come back up to the Kimberley because I just loved my time up here. And so now I'm finally here and really enjoying the life, the lifestyle, the patients, the community. It's just been wonderful.